ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। गीताभ्यासे 11-26 अमी च त्वां धृतराष्ट्रस्य पुत्राः प्लस 11-27 वक्त्राणि ते त्वरमाणा विशन्ति। अमी च त्वां धृतराष्ट्रस्य पुत्राः पदच्छेदे अमी च त्वां धृतराष्ट्रस्य पुत्राः सर्वे सहैवावनिपालसङ्घैः पदच्छेदे सर्वे सह एव अवनिपालसङ्घैः भीष्मो द्रोणसूतपुत्रस्तथासौ पदच्छेदे भीष्मः द्रोणः सूतपुत्रः तथा असौ सहास्मदीयैरपि योधमुख्यैः पदच्छेदे सह अस्मदीयैः अपि योधमुख्यैः वक्त्राणि ते त्वरमाणा विशन्ति पदच्छेदे वक्त्राणि ते त्वरमाणाः विशन्ति दंष्ट्राकरालानि भयानकानि पदच्छेदे दंष्ट्राकरालानि भयानकानि केचिद्विलग्ना दशनान्तरेषु पदच्छेदे केचित् विलग्नाः दशन अन्तरेषु सन्दृश्यन्ते चूर्णितैरुत्तमाङ्गैः पदच्छेदे सन्दृश्यन्ते चूर्णितैः उत्तम अङ्गैः 11-27 वाक्यांशशः विश्लेषणम् उद्देश्य विभागे कर्तृपदीयाः विधेय विभागे कर्मपदीयाः अन्ये सुबन्ताः विधेयाः अव्ययानि कृदन्ताः तिङन्ताः अमी धृतराष्ट्रस्य पुत्राः च सर्वे अवनिपालसङ्घैः सह एव भीष्मः द्रोणः असौ सूतपुत्रः तथा अस्मदीयैः योधमुख्यैः अपि सह त्वां दंष्ट्राकरालानि भयानकानि वक्त्राणि ते त्वरमाणाः विशन्ति उत्तमाङ्गैः चूर्णितैः केचित् दशनान्तरेषु विलग्नाः सन्दृश्यन्ते अमी in 1a is plural of asau in 1d. The object phrase te daushtrakaralani bhayanakani vaktrani in 1g, this one, seems explanatory to tvam in 1f. Because tvam also is karmapadiyam. Daushtrakaralani bhayanakani vaktrani is also karmapadiyam. So why two karmapadiyam? So tvam vishanti means te daushtrakaralani bhayanakani vaktrani vishanti. That is the explanatory aspect. Tvaramanaha in 1h. Though adjectively encompasses ami dhritarashtrasya putraha bhishmaha dronaha asau sutaputraha, it sounds better adverbial of vishanti. So how they vishanti? Tvaramanaha vishanti. So is vilagnaha in 2b, adverbial of sandrushyante, then adjectival of kechit. The phrase uttamangaihi churnitai in 2a connotes an action prior to dashanantareshu vilagnaha in 2b. So that is why that has been made into a separate clause, separate vakyamsha. You may not call it as a clause, but separate vakyamsha. 2a. Anvayashaha shabdabhyasa. Cha ami dhritarashtrasya putraha. Cha here meaning also. Ami, these, adas sarvanama, atra pullingam prathama bahuvachanam. Dhritarashtrasya, dhritarashtra, pullingam shashthi ekvachanam. धृतम राष्ट्रम येन सह धृतराष्ट्रः बहुव्रीहि और धृतः राष्ट्रेण यः सह बहुव्रीहि. See, धृतम राष्ट्रम येन सह धृतराष्ट्रः. So धृतम राष्ट्रम because he was a king, so he had to hold the kingdom together. He has to keep all the subjects happy. So धृतम राष्ट्रम येन सह. आणि धृतः राष्ट्रेण यः सह, because even though he was blind, he was accepted as the king. So Drashtrena Dhrutaha. So credit also should go to all the subjects that they accepted him as the king. So Dhrutaha Rashrena Yasaha Bahuvi. Interest. Dhrutam. Dhrudatoh Kta Visheshanam Dhruta. Dhru Dhrui Dharane. To wear, to support, to possess, to hold. Bhadihi. Prathamganiyaha Ubhayapadi. Sakarmakaha Anit. Rashtram. Raj Shtran. Unadi. A kingdom, realm, empire. Raj means actually to adorn the throne or to merit being the king. And that merit comes only because he has a kingdom with him. Without a kingdom, how can be a king a king? So kingdom is the adornment of Raj, of the Raja, king. Dhritarashtra, a good king, a country ruled by a good king. Name of the eldest son of Vyasaha, by a widow of Vichitravirya. As the eldest son, he was entitled to the throne, but being blind from birth, he renounced his sovereignty in favor of Pandu. But on his retirement to the woods, on Pandu's retirement to woods, he undertook it himself, making Duryodhana, his eldest son, the virtual ruler. When Duryodhana was killed by Bhima, the old king thirsted for revenge and expressed his desire to embrace Yudhishthira and Bhima. Krishna readily discovered his object and convinced that Bhima was marked out by the king as his prey. He caused an iron image of Bhima to be made. And when the blind king rushed forward to embrace Bhima, Krishna has substituted the iron image, which the revengeful old man pressed with so much force that it was crushed to pieces. And Bhima escaped. Thus, discomfited, he with his wife repaired to the Himalaya and there died after some years. So almost the whole biography of Dhritarashtra is given here. Update Dictionary. So, such a wonderful book. Putraha, Putra, son, Pullingam Prathama Bhuvachanam. Sarve Avanipala Sanghahi Saha Eva. Sarve, Sarva, Sarvanama, all. Atra Pullingam Prathama Bhuvachanam. Avanipala Sanghahi. Avanipala Sangha. Pullingam Prathama Bhuvachanam. Avanim Palayati iti Avanipalaha. Upapat Tatpurushaha. Avanipalanam Sanghaha. Avanipala Sanghaha. Shashti Tatpurush. Avani, earth. Strilingam. Sanghaihi, Sangha, Pullingam Prathama Bhuvachanam. Sanghaha, a group, collection, multitude, flock. Saha, with, along with, Avyayam. Eva, also, Avyayam. Bhishmaha Dronaha Tatha Asau Sutaputraha. Bhishmaha, Pullingam Prathama Ekvachanam. Bhishma, adjective. Bhi, nich, suk, apadane, mak. Terrible, dreadful, frightful, fearful. Bhishmo hi devaha sahasassahiyan. Bhishmaha, the sentiment of terror in rhetoric. See Bhayanaka, a demon, an imp, a fiend, goblin, an epithet. Name of a son of Shantanu. By Ganga. Rute Bhishme Hate Drone, Shalye Cha Nidhanam Gate. He was the youngest of the 8 sons of Shantanu, by Ganga. But all the others having died, he remained the sole heir to the throne after his father. On one occasion, while Shantanu was walking by the side of a river, he beheld a charming young damsel named Satyavati, the daughter of a fisherman, and though bowed down with age, conceived a passion for her, and sent his son to negotiate the marriage. But the parents of the girl said that if their daughter bore sons to the king, they would not succeed to the throne, for after his death, Shantanava, Shantanu's son is Shantanava, that is Bhishma, being the rightful heir, would be the king. But Shantanava, to please his father, made a vow to the parents that he would never accept the kingdom or marry a wife or become the father of children by any woman, so that if their daughter bore a son to Shantanu, he would be the king. This dreadful vow soon became known abroad. and thenceforth he was called Bhishma. He remained single, and after the death of his father, he installed Vichitravirya, the son of Satyavati, on the throne, got him married to the two daughters of King Kashiraja, see Ambika, and became the guardian of his sons and grandsons, the Kauravas and Pandavas. In the Great War, he fought on the side of the Kauravas, but was wounded by Arjuna with the assistance of Shikhandin and was lodged in a cage of darts. But having got from his father the power of choosing his own time of death, he waited till the sun had crossed the vernal equinox and then gave up his soul. He was remarkable for his continence, wisdom, firmness of resolve, and unflinching devotion to God. Dronaha, Pullingam Prathama Ekvachanam. Dronaha, a lake 400 poles long. Oh, that's another meaning. A cloud or a particular kind of cloud, Drona, abounding in water, from which rain streams forth as from a bucket. Koyam evam vidhe kale kalapasha sthite mai anavrushti hateshasye dronamegha ivoditaha. A raven or a carrion crow, a scorpion, a tree in general, a tree bearing white flowers. Oh, and name the preceptor of the Kauravas and Pandavas. Drona was the son of the sage Bharadwaja and was so called because the seed which fell at the site of a nymph called Ghrutachi was preserved by the sage in a Drona. Though a Brahmana by birth, he was well versed in the science of arms, which he learned from Parshurama. He afterwards taught the Kauravas and the Pandavas the science of arms and archery. When, however, the great war commenced, he attached himself to the side of the Kauravas, and after Bhishma had been mortally wounded, lodged in the cage of darts, he assumed the command of the Kaurava forces and maintained the struggle for 4 successive days, achieving wonderful exploits and killing thousands of warriors on the Pandava side. On the 15th day of the battle, the fight continued even during the night, and it was on the morning of the 16th that Bhima, at the suggestion of Krishna, said within Drona's hearing that Ashwathama was slain, the fact being that an elephant named Ashwathaman had fallen on the field. Being at a loss to understand how that could be, he appealed to Yudhishthira, the truthful, who also, at the advice of Krishna, gave evasive reply, uttered loudly the word Ashwatthama and added Gaja or elephant in a very low tone. Surely, sorely grieved at the death of his only son, the kind-hearted old father fell in a swoon, and Dhristadyumna, his avowed enemy, took advantage of this circumstance and cut off his head. Tatha also Avyayam. Tatha also Avyayam. Asau, this, others, Sarvanama, atra Pullingam Prathama Ekvachanam. Sutaputraha, Sutaputra Visheshanam. Atra Pullingam Prathama Ekvachanam. Sutasya Putraha, Sutaputraha, Shashi Tatpurusha. Sutasya, Suta Visheshanam. Atra Pullingam Shashti Ekvachanam. Suta, past participle. Sukta, born, begotten, engendered, produced, impelled, emitted. Sutaha, a charioteer. Suta, Chodayashwan Punyashrama Darshanena Tavadatmanam Punimahe. Punah Punah Suta Nishiddha Chapalam Harantamashvam Ratharashmi Sanyatam. The son of a Kshatriya by a woman of the Brahmana caste, his business being that of a charioteer. Kshatriyad Viprakanyayam Suto Bhavati Jatitaha. Suto va Sutaputro va Yova Kova Bhavamyam. The son of a Vaishya by a Kshatriya wife. His business being that of a bard. So different meanings. Sut. A bard. Purassarai swastika sutamagadhaihi. This is from Ramayana. Also in Bhagavatam. Asmadiyahi api yoda mukhyaihi saha. Asmadiyahi. Asmadiya विशेषणम् अवरोन् विशेष अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा बहुवचनम् अपि ऑल्सो अव्ययम् योधमुख्यैः योधमुख्य विशेषणम् अत्र पुल्लिंगम तृतीया बहुवचनम् योधेषु मुख्यः योधमुख्यः सप्तमी तत्पुरुषः योधेषु योध विशेषणम् अत्र पुल्लिंगम सप्तमी बहुवचनम् योधः युद्ध अच अ वॉरियर सोल्जर combatant सहास्मदीयैरपि योधमुख्यैः same words has been quoted. Bhagavad Gita 11-26 war battle मुख्यः मुख्य प्राइमरी prominent विशेषणम् अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा बहुवचनम् त्वां त्वां त्वं युष्मत् सर्वनाम द्वितीया एकवचनम् ते दंष्ट्राकरालानि भयानकानि वक्त्राणि ते युष्मत् सर्वनाम षष्ठी एकवचनम् दंष्ट्राकरालानि दंष्ट्राकराल विशेषणम् अत्र नपुंसकलिंगम द्वितीया बहुवचनम् दंष्ट्रैः करालं दंष्ट्राकरालं तृतीया तत्पुरुषः दंष्ट्रैः दंष्ट्रा दंष्ट्रन् टाप a large tooth tusk fang करालं विशेषणम् adjective dreadful formidable frightful terrible दंष्ट्राकराल having terrible task or looking terrible because of those kind of dreadful frightful teeth भयानकानि भयानक विशेषणम् अत्र नपुंसकलिंगम द्वितीया बहुवचनम् वक्त्राणि वक्त्र नपुंसकलिंगम द्वितीया बहुवचनम् वक्त्रं वक्त्यनेन वचकरणे स्ट्रन् द माउथ द फेस त्वरमाणाः विशन्ति त्वरमाणाः त्वर धातोः शानच् विशेषणं त्वरमाण अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा बहुवचनम् इट इज शानच् विशेषणं बिकॉज द धातु इज आत्मनेपदी त्वर इन त्वरां संभ्रमे भ्वादिः प्रथमगणीयः आत्मनेपदी अकर्मकः सेट टू हरी अप विशन्ति विश धातोः लटि प्रथमपुरुषः बहुवचनं विश टू एंटर केचित् उत्तमांगैः चूर्णितैः दशनान्तरेषु विलग्नाः सन्दृश्यन्ते केचित् किंचित् सर्वनाम अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा बहुवचनम् उत्तमांगैः उत्तमांग नपुंसकलिंगम तृतीया बहुवचनम् उत्तमम् अंगम उत्तमांगम कर्मधारय उत्तमम् उत्तम विशेषणम् अत्र नपुंसकलिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम् उत्तम एडजेक्टिव उत्तम बेस्ट एक्सेलेंट ऑफन इन कंपाउंड्स उत्तमे शिखरे देवी सः उत्तमः पुरुषः उत्तमः पुरुषस्त्वन्यः भगवद्गीता 15-17 द्विजोत्तमः द बेस्ट ऑफ ब्राह्मण द्विजेषु उत्तमः सुरोत्तमः नरोत्तमः प्रायेणाधमः मध्यमोत्तमगुणः संसर्गतो जायते दिस इज फ्रॉम बाय भर्तृहरि इन हिज I think my Vairagya Shatakam. Foremost, uppermost, highest. Opposite of Hina, Jaganya. Most elevated, chief, principal. Greatest, first. Angam, anga, organ. Napusakalingam, prathama ekvachanam. Uttamangam, the best limb of the body, the head. Churnitaihi, churna dhatohokta visheshanam, churnita. अत्र नपुंसकलिंगम तृतीया बहुवचनम् चूर्णित एडजेक्टिव पाउंडेड पल्वराइज्ड क्रश्ड ब्रूज्ड स्मैश्ड शैटर्ड टू पीसेस दशनांतरेषु दशनांतर नपुंसकलिंगम सप्तमी बहुवचनम् अन्यम दशनम दशनांतरम कर्मधारय दशनम दशनः और दशनम दंश भावे करणादौ वा ल्युट् निरुक्तम न लोपः अटूथ विलग्नाः विलग् धातोः क्त विशेषणं विलग्न अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा बहुवचनं विलग् टू स्टिक और एडहियर टू क्लिंग टू केचित् विलग्ना दशनांतरेषु सेम वर्ड्स हैज बीन कोटेड सन्दृश्यन्ते सन्दृश् धातोः कर्मणि प्रयोगे लटि प्रथमपुरुषः बहुवचनं सन्दृश् प्रथमगणीय परस्मैपदी टू सी to behold, dhingmam trisharasi sandarshe adyayat punah. To see well or perfectly, to consider, reflect upon. See, passive voice, the meaning is to look alike, resemble, be similar. Anvayartha, meaning. Amicha Dhritarashtrasya putraha, all those sons of Dhritarashtra, sarve avanipala sanghahi saha, also along with multitudes of the rulers of the earth. Bhishmaha, Dronaha, tatha asau Suta putraha, Bhishma, Drona and Karna, that son of the charioteer. Asmadiyehi api yodamukhyaisa, together with even our prominent warriors, Tvam, unto you, te Daushakarani Bhayanakani Vaktrani, into your terrible mouths with cruel teeth. These cruelties, yeah, good description. Tvaramana Vishanti, all of them rapidly enter, or possibly are vying to enter, vying with each other. Kechit Uttamangaihi Churnitaihi Dashanantareshu Vilagnaha Sandrushyante. Some are seen sticking in the gaps between the teeth with their best of organs, heads crushed. Chando Vishleshana. Ami chatvam dhritarashtrasya putraha ekadasha aksharaani. Ami cha eka dve o chatvam, so eka dve dve. Tvam dhruta dve eka eka. Rashtrasya dve dve eka putraha dve dve matraha. Yabhata gaga ganaihi. Which vrittam? Kimadam vrittam? Sarve sahayva vanipala sanghaihi. Ekadashakshani. Sarve, so dve dve eka. Hayvava dve dve eka. Nipala eka dve eka. Sanghaihi dve dve matra. Tata jagaga ganaihi. Indravajra Puttam. Bhishmo Drona Suta Putras Tathasau. Ekadashakshani. Bhishmo Dro Dve Dve Dve. Nasuta Dve Dve Eka. Putras Tatha. Putrasta Dve Putra, so Dve Trasta, so Dve Eka. Thasau Dve Dve Matraha. Matata Gaga Ganaihi Shalini Vrittam. Sahasmidiyai rapiyoda mukhyai ekadashakshrani. Sahasma eka dve eka. Diyai ra dve dve eka. Piyodha eka dve eka. Mukhyai dve dve matraha. Jata jagaga ganaihi upendravajra vrittam. Asmin ekadashadhyaye षड्विंशतितमे श्लोके उपजाति छन्दः. वक्त्राणि ते त्वरमाणा विशन्ति. एकादश अक्षराणि. वक्त्राणि, वक्त्रा, सो द्वे द्वे एका. ते त्वर द्वे एका एका. माणावि द्वे द्वे एका. शन्ति द्वे द्वे मात्राः. तभत गग गणैः. किमिदं वृत्तं? दंष्ट्राकरालानि भयानकानि. एकादश अक्षराणि. दंष्ट्राक द्वे द्वे एका. रालानि द्वे द्वे एका. भयान एका द्वे एका. कानि द्वे द्वे मात्राः. ततज गग गणैः इन्द्रवज्रा वृत्तं. केचिद्विलग्ना दशनान्तरेषु. एकादश अक्षराणि. केचिद्वि एका द्वे एका. लग्नाद लग्ना, सो द्वे द्वे एका. शनान्त एका द्वे एका. रेषु द्वे द्वे मात्राः. जतज गग गणैः उपेन्द्रवज्रा वृत्तं. सन्दृश्यन्ते चूर्णितैः उत्तमाङ्गैः. सन्दृश्यन्ते ओके. द्वे द्वे शन्ते, सो द्वे. ते चूर्णि द्वे द्वे एका. तैरुत्त द्वे द्वे एका. मांगैः द्वे द्वे मात्राः. म तत गग गणैः शालिनी वृत्तम्. अस्मिन् एकादशाध्याये 27तमे श्लोके उपजाति छन्दः. Swadhyaya, notes of self-study. As is noted in Vakyamshasha Visheshanam, the phrases Ami Dhritarashtrasya putraha sarve avanipala sanghahi saha eva Bhishmaha Dronaha tatha asau Sutaputraha asmiti yaihi api yoda mukhyaihi saha in 11-26 are subjectival to the verb Vishanti, who all are entering in 11-27. That merits these two verses to be taken together. What Arjuna says in this shloka, as what he is witnessing, all the sons of Dhritarashtra, along with multitudes of the rulers of the earth, Bhishma, Drona and Karna, together with even our own prominent warriors, are in a race to enter your frightful mouths. All this seems to be a prelude of the mention ahead by Sri Krishna Bhagavan. Maye vaite nihata purvameva 11-33. I have finished them all already. And this is what Arjuna is witnessing but possibly did not realize until Sri Krishna Bhagavan exactly said that I have finished them already in 11-33. Shubhamastu.